Good morning, YouTube. I am doing my new face. It's in the morning. It's like 9, I think. And I'm going to Vermont today for a few days with some friends. And I haven't done my new face in so long. And I woke up today and I was like, my face is so puffy. So I probably won't have time to do it when I'm there. So I was like, let me just get in one session. Just gonna do my quick morning routine, and then me and Camille are going to get an Uber and go to LaGuardia where we have to pick up the car, and we're meeting Sarah and Justin and Travis. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun trip and a fun vlog because finally I'm doing something. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Slippy's World.
I hate it. Alright, I'm waiting downstairs. Camille's coming down in a second. As you guys can see, it's really overcast. It's actually not just overcast, it's raining today. So I'm excited to leave. Camille got me an iced matcha. I'm probably gonna have to like pee in the car like within 10 minutes for sure.
Who's ready?
Oh my god, keep your voice down. It's too early in the morning.
It's 10.
Wait, you swapped to your suitcase?
Yeah. I just feel like this takes up less room and fit more. Like I have sweatpants and stuff because it just stuffs in.
Nice.
Efficient. Love away. Shout out away.
In the car on the way to LaGuardia to get our rental car.
You're gonna be able to hear this.
I think so. The camera's smart. My phone. My iced matcha that Camille got for me. I have some peaches. These are my favorite donut peaches. I have two, oh, where's the other bottle? Oh, 2 bottles of wine. All these face masks, like to be prepared. What else do I have in here? My AirPods, if I need some peace and quiet. My sunglasses. Oh, there's so much in here.
I forgot my
Water bottle.
Fuck.
This face mask that I don't wear.
Oh, sorry. I ruined your phone.
Back in we go. Here at the car rental. We're early. Well, actually, we're just on time and our friends are late. Ready to go. It's cold. If you guys don't know what a car rental place looks like, here you go. Look who it is. Everybody brought an away. I should have brought my away. Oh, sorry, I should be helping, but I have to vlog. Hi. Hi. Oh my god,
Oh my lord, these people are insane. To rent a car in this town. Okay. What's the vibe?
46th Street, then turn left onto 20th Avenue.
Get the contract? Oh, do I have the contract?
Did you pack it?
I may have packed it. It might be in the back. One sec. Back up a little bit.
I didn't see you bring it up here. You probably put it in your bag.
Yeah, I think I did. How does that work? Look like it's in the back pocket. Oh,
oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Was he looking at my ass?
Turn right, yeah. Do you like having the directions up?
I like the map more.
Turn right on 46th Street, then turn left on 20th Avenue.
Listen, what are you gonna get? Auntie Anne's, McDonald's.
McChicken.
Ooh.
with fries. I'm also driving. So
Oh yeah, don't get too don't get too wild.
take it easy, you know.
So everyone got McDonald's. What'd you get, Sarah?
Chicken nuggets.
Travis?
Quarter pounder with cheese. Big chicken. Whoa.
And somehow I got pizza. Oh, I forgot to film what our vehicle is, so now you guys can get a tour of the vehicle. Here she is, a Kia. This costs $5 on soda.
That costs $5. Did it really?
I just hope it's delicious.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, just had lunch in the car and we're gonna continue driving soon. We arrived and here's the moment of truth. I forget which Airbnb we got.
Okay. It's woodsy.
It is woodsy. Where are the lights? It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Here. Oh, they don't turn on anything. Okay, cute. You look so scared. It's so darling. Look at this little bench.
Wait, it's cute.
Sarah?
Smells like dogs.
Oh my god.
Alright, is anyone allergic?
Bed. This is the smallest little toilet. It's so cute.
Oh, it's so cute. Cute! Yeah, everyone's been
Cute! Okay, up the stairs.
Oh, this is really creepy.
This is the bunk beds. And here's the bathroom. This is the cutest room. Oh my god, this skylight. Look at it. So darling.
OMG!
The kitchen is new and nice. Okay, what's outside?
Okay, we've got tea.
Wow! Oops. And the backyard and patio. Hey, so this is dinner. We have here, wait, somebody who got the pizza, explain.
Margarita.
Oh, this one?
Yes. And then this one said it was, I don't actually see any bacon.
I see there's some bits. Let me zoom.
Gouda cheese and maple syrup.
Sarah's favorite type of pizza. Okay, what else do we have? We have glasses, we have salad, we have garlic knots, and we went to the grocery and we got some snacks, gummies, extra toasty Cheez-It. This is the really big box, you can't tell. Tortilla chips. These are the peaches that I got. Oh, Sarah, do us the honors of doing the wine tour, fridge tour. Sarah's a wine angel or guardian angel and brought a whole case. What's for tonight?
Tonight we're having Lacoste.
Yeah.
Very good, juicy orange.
Look how cute this is. That's me. Wait, no, that's me. That's Sarah. Chugging.
These two. Well, I guess we don't need that one.
Wait, what?
This?
Yeah, I vlogged it. I vlogged it. Don't worry. Justin hates me. Okay. Okay, let's do a taste test for the pizza.
Yeah, I want to hear the tasting notes, y'all.
Are you eating it now, Camille? Or the margarita?
Oh, the weird one?
Oh, margarita.
I like the weird one.
I think I'll like it.
It's you taste the maple syrup real quick,
Yeah.
which is weird.
Is
And
it
you
like...
taste the bacon and you're like, oh.
That's okay.
And then you get an apple, and by that point, you're in. You know what I'm saying?
Mmm.
Right? It's weird.
Mmm. I like it. It's like sweet. With like
I'm into it.
Saltiness to it. Because it's pizza.
Love. You're.
I don't know what to tell you. It's good though.
Cut this.
You're really far apart. Oh my god.
Why do you hate me?
I was sitting here first. Oh god.
I feel like this is so much more pose.
That's worse?
I mean,
We're in middle school.
Oh, what if I'm sitting? If I'm standing?
Oh, I should stand. Okay, try that.
That's actually the worst. Oh, this is.
Stop it! I hate myself.
Okay.
I'm sure there's like one cute one there somewhere.
why don't you
Cute.
review them?
That's literally we're
literally
we're at youth group.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Can I see? Let me see. Huh?
Child retreat, Christian retreat.
Well, I
Same
can't.
thing.
I can't change how you're dressed.
It's over. It's over. Okay, now we're collecting wood for the fire. Here's the fire pit. I don't know how it's gonna happen. We'll see. Okay, you guys, so I was sitting over there at the bench and I saw this thing on the tree. And from afar, I was like, is it a wig? And it's not. It's just the tree. But like, there's always like wigs and stuff strewn about. So I thought, I don't know. It's been an interesting first day. It's on camera, so if you don't help me, everyone will know.
I'll look bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't want your fans to drag me on the internet.
My fans are my mom and Camille.
Okay, well then your mom.
And Sarah.
Okay, alright. Fight with those people.
Does the wood have to be
Cheers.
super dry or no?
Oh my god, I totally missed filming all of this.
It'll like
That'll be fine.
light the wood. It just needs to be super hot.
Sarah, what are your top tips for someone who's never started a fire before?
Very dry kindling, a lot of it, and then you want wood that doesn't have bark on it, and that's dried out like that, and then it's pretty easy to start a fire.
Seems hard, but well done, Sarah.
Should I put the pizza in there? Oh! Oh! Burn, baby, burn. What? I hate this vlog. Unsubscribe.
It's so hard to be yourself.
Do you even subscribe to my vlog?
Yeah.